welcome back to the channel once again and welcome back to a brand new haul video. Since we are approaching to the festive season, मुझे लगता है ये haul video आप लोगों को जरूर पसंद आएगा. Now in this video mainly I am going to share home decor and organizing products, but at the same time I am going to include something which is too pretty, which I have got for my personal use. Now before we proceed to the video, this video is powered by Zook. Now Zook is an online premium bag, wallet and accessories brand. They are PETA approved, which means they are cruelty free, vegan, and they sell 100% handmade Indian products. Now if you guys know me, you know that I have a special space in my heart for handmade Indian products, and that is why I could not resist myself but to share their details with you. Now आगे जाके I will share more details about Zook and their products, but for now let's just dive into the video. So the first product which I am going to show you is my recent buy from Westside, and जो कि है this set of 3 stainless steel mixing bowls. We all know what is the importance of these deep mixing bowls in our kitchen. I needed them mainly for baking cakes. So they come in 3 different sizes and individually labeled with mix, whisk and stir for practical utility. Now जो सबसे बड़ा bowl है, that is labeled as whisk. Dimension is 27 cm by 11 cm by 17 cm. This is deep enough to whisk a large amount of cake batter. The next one is stir. Dimension is 23 cm by 10 cm by 14 cm. This is medium size and I use this more often. The inside of all 3 bowls are stainless steel finish and the outer side is in this beautiful off-white color. Now this is labeled as mix, which is the smallest one with dimension 18 cm by 8 cm by 11 cm. Now the whole set did cost me rupees 999, but I think it worth it. I got some queries in my Westside tour video about my purchases, so yes, here goes the first one. Also, you guys can check out my old haul videos to see what all I got from Westside over a period of time. That's because I admire their contemporary unique design in kitchen accessories, and if you compare you will know their pricing is at par market and sometimes even lower than many other competitors. Sometimes the right utensil can motivate you to show your culinary skills, right? Okay, now the cupcakes are ready and we will enjoy them with some high tea. Next comes this beautiful flow motif women's office bag from Zook. I liked the beautiful Indian handcrafted floral design and the finishing of the bag. This bag is for daily use as an office bag or ladies handbag or travel bag. It is made of vegan leather and handcrafted fabric. Zook has a number of different kind of bags such as tote bag, handbags, hobo bags, laptop bags, sleeve bags, wallets and accessories. They sell cruelty-free and vegan products which are 100% Indian. Now this particular bag is sufficient for office goers to take all required products. It has water resistance inner lining and can accommodate any laptop size such as 13 inches, 14 inches, 15 inches and even 15.6 inches. And the laptop can be secured with this strap. Next I am keeping my large planner. A water bottle. And then there are pockets for mobile and keys, जहाँ मैं अपना छोटा tripod भी रख सकती हूँ. Also keeping my laptop charger and then my shades. Earphones. And sanitizer bottle. एक छोटा tiffin box. However, you can also carry your lunch box inside this. my purse, and last but not least my phone. And इतना सब कुछ रखने के बाद भी you can see how much space is left. You can also keep couple of clothes inside. It is an all-in-one bag for sure. Now Zouk is providing a special promo code which is mentioned in the screen for my subscribers. So you can use this code to avail 15% discount. I will share their website link and this particular bag's link in the description. So go check out the product and gift yourself or your loved ones something unique this festive season. Next I got this IKEA stainless steel hanger for door. This is in white color and the dimension is 15 by 10 by 5 centimeters. The sides are also foldable like this, which makes it super easy to carry. It comes with 6 hooks which are very sturdy. I was searching for a drill-free door hanger for long and this completely solved my problem. This is rental friendly as you can avoid drilling your door and simply hang it over the door. Also, the covered back prevents any kind of scratching on the door. It helps you to convert unused space into a storage place like this and to hang bathrobes, bags and also heavy clothes. Next comes a very useful storage product which is this plastic rectangular multi-purpose stackable storage container with closing lid. Now I wanted a good and sturdy storage box to keep my extra clothes and DIY के सामान. So Amazon में मुझे ये मिल गया. Both sides में ऐसे clips दिया हुआ है to close the lid securely. There is a handle on top so that you can carry it easily. Also as a bonus it has wheels, तो इसको किसी भी डायरेक्शन में बहुत इजीली ट्रैक किया जा सकता है. अंदर काफी स्पेस है एंड बहुत सारा सामान as in pantry items, toiletries, school supplies, mail, magazine, crafts and arts, also office supplies, clothes, etc. can be stored. इसका dimension है 40 by 26 by 28 centimeter and comes in all different colors. Currently शायद ये pink color available नहीं है, but you will get other colors which are equally attractive. The next thing which I have got from Westside are these metal insulated water bottles. These are 750 ml bottles and comes in 5 different colors. The bottle comes with a vacuum sealed lid to retain the temperature of water whether it's hot or cold. I love the quirky text in both sides of the bottle. Also the fact that they are so easy to carry anywhere. I got 2 of them. बहुत सारा कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. You can visit their website or visit their store and get your hands on them. I am using this bottle since last 1 month and I can say that this helps to keep the water cold for sure, जो अभी के गर्मी में बहुत ज़्यादा important है. In similar way, it will also help to retain the temperature of your hot water in winters. Last but not least are the stoneware 220 ml coffee mug set. This is from Home Center and a gift from my in-laws. I totally loved the design and the color of this set. In this set, you will get 6 mugs with this metal stand. The material is stoneware and you can display it anywhere and move it very easily. The simple and elegant design will surely add value to your kitchen or crockery unit. So that's it guys, we are at the end of the video. I hope आज का haul आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. In case you want to order from Zouk, do check their website and the product link in the description box and do not forget to use the coupon code which I have shared with you all to avail the discount. And if you have liked the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. And मैं अभी अपना चाय enjoy करती हूँ. I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, you take care and bye bye.